Is YouTube showing a white screen? Don't worry, we have got the fix. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Let's get started. Method 1. Disable ad blocker in web browser. If YouTube shows a white screen, first check your internet connection and restart your system. If the issue persists, try disabling ad blocker extensions in your web browser. Here is how. For Google Chrome, open the browser, click on the three dots menu in the top right corner. Navigate to Extensions, click on the Manage Extensions option. Find the ad blocker extensions you want to disable in the list. Toggle the switch next to the extension to turn it off. You can also remove the ad blocker if you want. Confirm your action. For Firefox, click on the extensions icon from the top right corner. Select Manage Extensions. Turn off the toggle for the ad blocker. Once done, restart the browser and then launch YouTube and check. Method 2. Disable hardware acceleration in web browser. To disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome, open Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. Select System on the left side. Find the setting called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Toggle the switch to turn the feature off. You should restart the browser to apply the changes. To disable hardware acceleration in Firefox, type About Preferences in the address bar. Scroll down to Performance and uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. Uncheck the Use Hardware Acceleration when available option. Method 3. Clear YouTube cache and cookies. Next, you can clear cache and cookies from your web browser. This can remove corrupted data that might be causing the issue. Here is how to do it. To clear cache and cookies in Chrome, open Chrome. Click on the three dots menu at the top right corner. Select Delete Browsing Data. Choose a time range, preferably all time. Select the types of information you want to remove, then click on the Delete Data option. You can restart Chrome and then open YouTube and check. For Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Data. Set the time to everything. Check cookies and site data and temporary cached files and pages, then click Clear. Method 4. Update your web browser. The next thing you can do is try updating your browser. For Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates and install them automatically. Once updated, restart the browser and check if the YouTube video loads properly. To update Firefox browser, click on the hamburger menu, then select Help, then select About Firefox. Now Firefox browser will update itself. Once done, launch YouTube and check. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the white screen issue on YouTube. Hopefully, one of these methods worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Let us know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.